apart from having an aesthetic value, is also fun to interact with. So if you stand in front of it, it gives you natural and intuitive reactions to whatever you do. For example, the bars open up according to your position, like gates which open up, or eyes which follow you wherever you go. So basically, it conveys a sense of friendliness.
We are controlling the LED matrix using Arduino Uno. To capture the person's position accurately, we have strategically placed 6 ultrasonic sensors around the LED display. The aesthetic design attracts the user's attention, and the continuously changing pattern keeps the users engaged and amused.